Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share, and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, most definitely welcome. So Muvhango is returned for its new season 27, with new faces, new logo, new theme song, and new energy. I'm sure wherever Dumandlov is, he is celebrating. Since 3 July, SABC has been airing previous episodes of Muvhango, and it allowed fans to reminisce about the show's most memorable episodes while they waited for the new season. We can actually see from that clip that Lelet Kumalo is now back. And people were like, oh, we're expecting Tadaza to be in the new season, but unfortunately, she's not coming back. And we can see that some actors are not also coming back. I didn't see KK. I'm not so sure if he's coming back, but KK is one of the people that is mentioned that he is not coming back. We saw Chief is there. At least Chief is there. If Chief is there, then it's Muvhango. Now we are talking of Muvhango. Then Innocentia is there. Dingani is there. Teboche is there. Mastin is also there. The faces that I didn't see is the Sangoma, what is his name? I'm forgetting the names, but I didn't see him. And I feel like those popular faces, some of them, they are not coming back, unfortunately. So the uncertainty surrounding Muvhango stemmed from ongoing deliberation between the show's executive and the public broadcaster, SABC, while the reason for the delay in finalizing a new contract remain unofficial and unconfirmed. So these people are just going to work. We don't know if they signed a contract. It's not even certain. Sources indicated that discussion had even touched upon the possibility of discontinuing the show. Fortunately, this speculation has been put to rest as the cast prepares for a new chapter in their storied journey. And we're going to expect, I think it's not going to be like Generations. We know when Generations weren't and they came back, it was so boring. Now the generation, the legacy, it's different. They were like new faces, new logo, everything they changed, but they changed the worst. Hopefully, this is going to be a very good turnaround for Muvhango. The revamped Muvhango will appear under the new tagline, Muvhango lives on, accompanied by a fresh logo and an updated opening sequence, as well as introduction of new characters and storyline. A standout addition to the cast is veteran actress Lelet Kumalo, who will portray the character of Dr. Nonhlanhla. She's thankful and she's so happy about joining the cast. Hopefully they're going to impress us since they've got big names now. And I just can't wait. I'll just watch it for the sake of it's a new thing. You know that you'll be like, oh, okay, they've got new storyline, new what, probably it's going to be nice and funny. So let's just wait and watch the space. They're going to launch in 4 ways. I think over the weekend, they didn't give us a date, but they're going to have a launch in 4 ways of the new Muvhango theme, and fans are going to go there and meet the new people, new actors, and everything. I don't know what you guys think. Those who haven't subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed.